One morning, a unique idea popped into my head. What if I turn my marker drawing into reality? To make that happen, I need a design. A design that will guide me as I bring this masterpiece to life. So, let's start sketching. I started by sketching some random shapes and elements, just letting my imagination run wild so that the final piece will look so epic. The sketch is done. Now it's time for my favorite part, coloring the design with alcohol markers. Now let's choose a nice color combination to bring this masterpiece to life. Look at this dog, so cute. And just like that, the design is complete. Now let's head back to the studio because it's time to turn this idea into a 3D creation. But first, let's prep my desk for the serious creativity. These are the material I need: clay, water, and empty jar from your kitchen. First, I'm going to coat the jar with clay until it's fully covered. Let's smooth it out by rolling it back and forth. Now I'm going to mold all the small shapes and stick them into the jar. I really enjoying this part, sticking all the small details one by one. It's so chilling and relaxing. I'll keep adding small details until it's fully covered by design. I feel like I can really do this for hours. Now let's create a diamond shape. A few details left, and finally, the clay base is done. Now it's time to make a big flower design. For the flower, I'll be using a metal wire inside. That way, it stays strong and stand tall. Right now, I'm carefully shaping and polishing the flower until it looks perfect. And now that both base and flower are finished, let's attach it to the jar so it will stay in place. And there you go. Our clay model is complete. While waiting for the clay to dry, I decided to take a break and get some fresh air. Look at the view. Nature is so beautiful. Moments like this really keep me inspired. Back to the studio. I'm back. After 3 days of waiting, the clay is finally dry. I'll be using a sandpaper to smoothen the clay surface and get ready for painting. Just a few layers of gesso and we're done. Once the gesso is dry, it's time to add some color. I'll start with the background. Wish me luck. The base is done. Now for the fun part, coloring the flower. I've been so excited to get to this part. Now that the large area are painted, it's time to work with the small details of this piece. Let's paint the heart with pink. I'm honestly having fun painting these small details. They really bring the piece to life. And while I was painting, this happened. I'm not sure how it broke, but let's fix it. I'll apply some glue, and while it dries, I'll keep painting the rest. The glue is dry now. I'll sand the surface gently and prepare that area. Perfect. Now that she's fixed and ready, let's give her a happy face. Just a few final strokes and it's done. So now, enjoy the final reveal, brothers and sisters.